Okay, so now what we are going to have is, or what we are going to do is we are going to implement the retrieval of the thumbnails for our page. We already have had the videos page, and I already want to modify this page. Basically, what we need to do is, okay, you need to make sure to have all this code in here, injecting this, having injected HTTP client, let's be this namespace. We are going to have a variable name is loading, and this is a bootstrap is spinner. So basically, when the variable is set to true, we are showing the spinner indicating that the data is being loading. Otherwise, we are going to render the items. The card was modified a little bit, and you will see that in the image we are going to have in the source this video thumbnails in, and it's going to access the video info.id. This is a dictionary of a string as of a string. Basically, the first string is going to be the ID, the video ID, and the second string is going to be the base64 representation for the video thumbnail. Now we have the description, and I removed the one that I had with footer. In the code section, we are going to have, well, we have the video's response variable. This is the new variable that I said I added, which is the dictionary of string and string, name, videos, thumbnails. In the uninitialize, we are going to set the is loading to true. We continue getting the video response as we did before, and the thumbnails we are going to initialize the dictionary, and we are going to iterate through all of the of the items. Um, we are going to get the thumbnail base 64 from the video indexer get thumbnail endpoint. We are going to send as parameters the video ID and the thumbnail ID, which we get for each of the items in the results. And the image source, we are going to format it to the data semicolon image format for HTML images, and we are going to add that to the dictionary, and when we finish iterating through all of the items, we set the is loading to false. So now if we run the application, we will see that as soon as the data is, all of that is finished loading, we will see the thumbnail. So it's loading the data, and then we will see all of the videos loaded with their respective thumbnail. So that's what we have in there. And yeah, that's what we have. We see all of the thumbnails, and we are able to see the list of videos. And the next set of videos, we are actually going to add interactivity to this, so we can select a video and go to the insights for that specific video that we selected. Thank you very much, and have a great day.